Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. Y over x, y over x, they are degree number 1. So we can use about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about dy over dx. First the derivative of v, you got about dv over dx multiplied by x. Next, we do first the derivative of x, you got about number 1. So we have v in here. This is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will change y into vx. Into vx, dy over dx, we change by this one. This one we simplify and you got about v. This one you got about v. Now we need to simplify v for the both sides. Next, cosine v we put on the left, ds and s we put on the right. And this one which can change into secant of v dv. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of v plus tan v, and we put about c. This one you got about ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And then we need to change v into y over x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.